There's the welding bench, and the lid is nearly finished. It's all been varnished on top, all been nicely varnished, and all I have to do is stick the aluminium plates up on the underneath the roof there, so they'll be just like the back there, be fully closed except for the front here. Right, you stand here with your welding vest on, and this half there you can hang the welding blanket over to keep the sparks in case they fly sideways. And for $69 at Bunnings you can get yourself a respiration mask for welding. A welding respiration mask. So that'll be the fumes taken care of until such times as I design a little fume extractor, because I can run the fume extractor pipe down here, take the vents out and plug them into the drains, pipe in there, and channel the fumes outside through the street drains. Whatever, which is a good idea really. Okay, so that's the welding bench. Lid's all been made, all been varnished. It's been coated in aluminium tape on the frame and on the bottom frame. So I just have to whack the bloody aluminium plates under this here, and this thing will be fully protected from sparks under the roof and down there. So that's it. The welding bench is nearly finished. Okay. So thank you for watching my latest update.